What do we have, guys? What do we have? Look it. Rare model, like a prototype. Yikes, way to pull over, guys, on the freeway. Uncle Michael left this side loose and the siding started breaking off. That popped out. You can see it ripped right there. It's gonna require a little bit of glue. Subscribe. Today we're doing something exciting, driving over a bridge. Okay, I'm kidding. We threw out a little number on a storage unit and we won it. I'm kind of excited about this one. The things inside of it are so big, I can't even put them in my normal trailer. As you see behind me is the U-Haul trailer. And I didn't want to lay them down in the box truck because they might get damaged. Do you have any guesses what they are right now? And as you know, we do have a trailer, but the trailer's still full of VCR tapes. And we have made it, guys. We are here at the storage facility to pick up this unit. I forgot to tell you, I paid $210 plus 10% buyer's premium and taxes. It equal to like $242 or something like that total for the storage unit, plus the $42 and the trailer rental, plus.
That's right, plus.
So is it like is it turning plus on this? All right, here we go, guys. What did I gamble? Ta-da! Here we go. You can barely see them. There's two machines sitting in here. Two machines. Yep, two machines. And what the? This one's open, so I don't even know what this is. There's a TV inside of that one. And I'm gonna keep that key.
Thanks for spinning it.
Let's go from the back. These are weird. I guess we'll see what's on them.
Alright, give it back.
Take it back. They take quarters. It's got the key inside of there. Don't want to damage that. All right. One down. One to go. What are these? Are they, is there some value in these?
You don't have the joysticks.
Yeah, see, look, it's different though. See, like this is kind of homemade. See how somebody made it and you can see the TV in there and there's probably a console system hooked up somewhere. I don't know what plays in here. Maybe the console goes in there. Could be a waste of time and money. I don't know what I bought. Oh, this one don't have the controllers.
Whatever, dang.
That's not cool. Why did somebody put this in there and store them for so long?
I will spend a minute every day dreaming life away, and I will do right by the people who decided to stay. What do you need from me? What do I need from myself? Too much time spent comparing me to somebody else. I guess I'll take a selfie.
And there they are, loaded up behind us, guys. Let's go back and let's take a peek inside. Let's turn one on and let's see if we got something, because I'm actually very intrigued. A little research I did last night is Square Enix made some great games like Tomb Raider and Tomb Raider 2 and all of the Lara Croft series and a series of other games, and then they were bought out. And this has a Lara Croft paperwork on the back, so this could be a very rare model, like a prototype of a game. Casualty of war, guys. It's got a damage. Yikes, way to pull over, guys, on the freeway. Uncle Michael left this side loose and the siding started breaking off. That popped out. You can see it ripped right there. It's gonna require a little bit of glue. That's that Bay Area traffic for you guys, fighting our way back so we can go see if these things work. All right, let's get the ramp out, undo the ratchet straps. Go ahead and start tearing that plastic off of there.
I need a knife, Dad.
Here you go. The only thing that they said came with was this one said that Look.
Look. On a PlayStation 4.
Remove
X,
antenna from inside of game. Attach base plate of antenna to top of game wing nuts. Wire antenna speakers. Plug in and turn on. Turn power on game station audio controller. Put in game. And it has like a picture of Laura Croft right there. And then this one just shows that. Cut back here. Alright, this one's not damaged. Uncle Michael damaged the side of the other one.
Michael!
Okay. Came with the key, so that's cool. Okay. There's definitely something in here. But it looks like... Okay, so... I don't know.
You got PS4 in here?
I don't know what is it? What did I got in here? I see.
Extension cord.
I don't think it comes with the console.
A freaking monitor? Yeah, a monitor.
So I think that this is rigged. There's nothing for it to hook up to. We got conned. They need consoles, and then they become arcades for your consoles, huh? That's a PlayStation 4, right?
What's all inside of this box? What's all in here?
I
see something else
that's a
inside,
speaker.
like an
That's to
amplifier.
make you create like a little sound system. The speakers go up there. What? See, look at there. See this cord right here? See where this goes to?
What cord?
See right here?
Not plugging in anything, man.
Doesn't go to nothing.
And what does it look like it connects to?
USB. It's got a USB plug on it.
Weird, weird.
And you got a little volume thing.
You got a whole comes with the whole remote.
Yeah, so you got to put a remote. You put your console in here, and you get a little speaker. It's got a sound bar. Looks like you need
Quarters.
and that is like a gimmick that really you just push in it.
What can you get for these, Michael?
This is weird. So I think it's something you would use to make your own. I'm not that impressed with it now. It's something I think that you can hook up an Xbox or a PlayStation 3. What do these go to?
That's PS4.
So yeah, you put a PS4 in there and you can play your PS4. That's what that's for. You can do whatever you want, right? You can put an Xbox in there or whatever. This one. It's a good. Well, one thing that's cool, actually,
Got something.
is that it at least has the sound system. It has everything but the system, so that's easy. You just need want to put your arcade in there. So we got another sound system, and you would probably put a PS4 in there, huh?
I guess so. It's like a fan right here.
Yeah, it's to keep this all cool because you're going to be running this at an exhibit. I could not find these on the internet anywhere, even before I purchased them. You guys tell me if you see anything that resembles this. The cool thing is people are looking for these to make their own arcades at home. You can put a Wii, a PS4, an Xbox, etc., etc. So what I did was I listed them for $7.50 each on Facebook Marketplace. And even with the little damage Uncle Michael did here, I still think that's going to just be fixed with a little glue. I think we'll let him keep his job.